The Adventure King's 1.4 metre rear awning adds an incredible amount of protected space to the back of any wagon or ute. How good is that for a setup? If you're anything like me, you probably use the rear of your vehicle as a kitchen when you're at camp. I love having easy access to my fridge as well as my drawers when I'm cooking. With the Adventure King's 1.4 metre rear awning, you can affordably and easily add shelter to the rear of your vehicle. It's the perfect length that it doesn't overhang the vehicle, making it ideal for setups like this. It extends 2 metres out from the vehicle, which is the perfect size for your kitchen area. You can even mount the 1.4 metre rear awning to the headboard of a ute tray if you don't have a canopy, and cover your tray while you're at camp. That leaves your side awning for the really serious camping business, like relaxing all afternoon, making sure your camp chair doesn't grow legs and walk away. But the absolute best part, the Adventure King's 1.4 metre awning is incredibly affordable. In fact, you could easily pay more for a fancy pants carton of beer than what it's on sale for today. Just check it out.